In this tutorial, we'll show you how to use the electric creasing machine to make clean folds for booklets, cards, and more. Some safety precautions are to always keep your hands in loose clothing away from the creasing bar. Do not insert materials that aren't paper. The machine can only work with one piece of paper at a time, and turn off the machine when adjusting, cleaning, or finished using. To turn the machine on, see the right side of the machine where the power switch is located, and flip it to turn it on when you are ready to use. To change the depth of the crease, screw the top of the blade to adjust the height. To change the position of the blade, adjust the screw behind the blade. Next, adjust the T-shaped paper guides according to your paper size. The guides can be loosened or tightened by screwing the black knobs. To move the support wheel, adjust the screw. Use your hands at the bottom of the page to hold while sending the paper through the machine. Pick up the page from the other side of the machine and check your crease to make sure it's straight. When finished, turn off the machine.